Happy New Year! Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. Happy holiday, and let's get into it. The Warm Audio WA73-EQ is truly a Swiss Army knife. If you're a hybrid mix engineer, it's hard to not appreciate the 3-band equalizer. Whether treating stems or the entire mix, this inductor-based EQ is the real deal. The low band gives necessary bottom end and girth. The flexible mid-frequency band will bring forward instruments that need a boost in the mids, and the high-frequency band will add sheen to most instruments or stem mixes in the 10K range. But if you need more top-end air, switching from the 10K band to the 12K should provide you with exactly what you need. Listen to these following examples. The flexibility of the WA73-EQ is undeniable. In one unit, you get a chance to record through a quality preamp section, insert your favorite outboard gear, and process tracks through an EQ section. It is a home studio owner's dream. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next year.